Alright, what's going on, guys? Finally, it's here. I'm excited. It is the Sigma 2470 f2.8 for the Sony E-mount lens or E-mount cameras. And I'm very happy that I got it right now, and I'm gonna compare it to my trusty old Tamron 28-75. This one is nice and light and very affordable. So let's compare it. Let's open the box. Here was a little sticker. I removed that sticker, so it's a little bit easier. What do we got here? We got some kind of strap. Ah, okay. And some papers. And of course, Sigma always provides this little case. And that case, or pouch, I'm not sure if there is anybody out there that uses the strap and the pouch to carry around with, but I don't know. It's quite big actually, but I think it's nice. Alright, here it is. Ooh, it's heavy, huge. What? Ooh. This is big. This is big, sir. Wow. Well, it's almost the same in size, but look how big the front element is. Whoa. Yeah, look at that. Dang. Alright, I'm gonna switch it out. I'm gonna put it on the Sony a7 III. Then you can see it. And then also I'm gonna switch around with the Sigma and the Tamron, and maybe you can see a little bit of a difference. Alright, so let's do that. Let's do it. Guga. Guga Foods. Alright. This is now the Sigma filming now. Maybe I have to go down a little bit. The tripod is a little bit low on the low side, but I think... How do I look? Do I look cool? Do I look nice? Alright. First impressions, guys. I don't know. So let's switch now with the Tamron. Alright. Filming now with the Tamron. How do I look? Do I look good as well? Alright, so that's it. Also, I'm gonna show you some photos in the end, and then full review will come in a couple of weeks or so. So subscribe to my channel if you want to see my full comparison and review and everything. And then I will see you then. So subscribe if not already. Like the video, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck.